Welcome, everyone. You are here at our NextCycle Michigan Summer Showcase. Buckle in. This afternoon is going to be jam-packed with fast and furious 5-minute pitches by 16 teams.
We're excited to have you all here and be part of this growing network as change makers and to see the next coming projects that are happening here today. So remember, together we can do this. And again, thank you all for being here.
We are currently destroying one of our biggest allies in the fight against climate change in order to make potting soil. There's a huge market for us, and the water quality, recycling, and circular economy initiatives of Michigan make it a perfect match.
When we first started, we surveyed people. We asked them, what would you actually buy that's made out of a chip bag? And we had an overwhelming amount of people say sleeping bags.
This will be walking distance to where we're already farming. So this could show community members that this is a viable industry to become a part of and to take part in cleaning up your own community.
We will be creating durable goods for our residents, by our residents.
In my wildest imagination, takeout is going to take out single use altogether.
We're hugely proud at Eagle to play a key role in this NextCycle initiative, leveraging public and private investment in Michigan's recycling system and put some of these materials that were otherwise headed for landfill to good use. We're proving once again that environmental protection and economic growth go together, actually.
Eagle is pleased to announce that each team will be receiving $5,000 of Harvest Grant funding for a total of $85,000. You have sown the seeds and grown your project. It is now time to harvest those endeavors and take it to the next level. We believe in the work you are doing and in the mission, and we will continue to invest in you, the change makers.
On behalf of NextCycle Michigan, thank you all for your effort, your involvement, and we'll see you next time.